My name is Dimas Pramudiptra from 5BA class. Today I want to explain about the type of sample. What is sample? Sample is a part of a research population that is used to estimate the result of a study. There are two types of sample. There are random and non-random. For random, have 5 types. 1. The simple random sampling technique. Using this method provides equal opportunities for each member of the population to become the research sample. How to collect using lottery number. 2. The systematic random sampling method uses interval in selecting research sample. For example, a study requires 10 samples from 100 people. The number of interval group is 10. 3 is stratified random sampling method. Take sample based on the certain levels. For example, research on work motivation at the top level manager, middle level manager, and lower level manager. The randomization process was taken from each of this group. 4 is cluster sampling. Cluster sampling is a group sampling technique. This type of sampling is carried out based on certain group. The random purpose of the cluster random sampling method, among other, is to examine something in different parts of an agency. The 5 is this type of sampling process is carried out in our stage. And for the non-random, have 5 types also. First is purpose sampling. Purpose sampling is a sampling technique that is quite often used. This method uses criteria that have been selected by a researcher in selecting the sample. The sample selection criteria are divided into inclusion and exclusion criteria. Number 2 is snowball sampling. Snowball sampling is a sampling technique based on interviews or correspondence. This method asks for information from the first sample to obtain the next sample, so continuously until all the research sample needs can be met. Number 3 is accidental sampling method. In this accidental sampling method, the research took a sample that happened to meet at that time. The study is suitable for examining the types of rare disease cases whose samples are difficult to obtain. And number 4 is the sampling is a quota sampling. This sampling technique take the number of sample as much as amount determined by the research. And the last is saturated sampling technique. Saturated sampling technique is a sampling technique that takes all of the population as a sample, provided that the existing population is less than 30 people. That's all for the type of sample. Thank you for watching. Bye.